Woodpecker soldier Woody was ordered to protect the princess, but the moment he saw her graceful figure, his eyes nearly popped out. He sneaked a peek inside and jumped around in excitement. He was convinced he had just fallen in love. One day, Woody slacked off during work and made his commander furious. The commander fired a shot to wake him up, and then assigned him the perfect mission guarding the princess. As soon as the mission started, Woody actually tried his best to stay focused, but the princess was so beautiful that he fell deeper and deeper under her spell. Their relationship was slowly warming up. That's when the flower thief showed up. He, too, was stunned by the princess's beauty.